The Stetsom Bravo full 1200 amplifier delivers strong continuous power at 1 ohm, giving subwoofers and full-range speakers plenty of clean headroom. Its wide frequency coverage from deep bass into high treble makes it versatile enough to run subwoofers, mid-range drivers, and tweeters from a single compact chassis. Thoughtful tuning controls, including adjustable high-pass and low-pass filtering plus a full-range bypass option, make it easy to dial in a precise sound for different vehicle setups. The efficient Class D design and smart cooling system help the amplifier stay stable and reliable during long, demanding listening sessions. Solid power, ground, and speaker terminals accept appropriately thick wiring, supporting secure installations that minimize voltage drop and noise. Overall, this amplifier suits enthusiasts who want a compact, full-range mono solution that balances strong output with good sound quality and flexible configuration options.